discussion about a project titled A Real-Time Emergency Diseases Diagnostic System on Text and Speech Samples using NLP and Deep Learning Algorithms. So now coming to the introduction part. The introduction of a real-time emergency diseases diagnosis system based on NLP and deep learning algorithms marks a monumental advancement in healthcare technology. By seamlessly integrating text and speech analysis, the system empowers medical practitioners with timely and accurate insights, enhancing the effectiveness of emergency medical care. As technology continues to reshape the landscape of healthcare, this innovative solution stands at the forefront, exemplifying the potential for AI-driven systems to revolutionize medical diagnosis and improve the patient outcomes. So now coming to the objective part for this project, the real-time emergency diseases diagnosis system lies in leveraging NLP and deep learning algorithms to enhance the speed, accuracy, and comprehensiveness of medical diagnosis. By seamlessly integrating text and speech analysis, this system aims to provide timely and precise information to healthcare professionals, ultimately improving patient outcomes in critical situations. This innovative approach exemplifies the potential of AI-driven technologies to transform the landscape of emergency healthcare and reaffirms the significance of rapid and accurate diagnosis in saving lives. The aim is to decode spoken information, capturing nuances, tones, and linguistic cues that could indicate specific medical conditions. This multimodal approach, encompassing both text and speech analysis, aims to provide a comprehensive view of the patient's condition, ultimately leading to more accurate and holistic diagnosis. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system is Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, that is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, for running all these three, home, user, register here, we need MySQL workbench for writing the query so that we can run these buttons on the Django framework. First, home. In the context of a website or application, home refers to the main or default page that users are directed to when they first access the platform. It serves as a central starting point and often provides an overview of the platform's key features, navigation options, and possibly recent or popular connect. The homepage is designed to provide users with a clear understanding of what the platform offers and how they can navigate through it. It may also include links to various sections of the website, featured content and announcements, and calls to action that guide users to specific actions or interactions. Second, user. A user is an individual who interacts with the website, application, or system. Users are the primary beneficiaries of digital platforms and they engage with these platforms to access information, platform tasks, communicate, or utilize services. Users can have various roles and privileges within a system depending on the platform's design. For example, in an online community, users might participate in discussions, share content, and connect with others. In a software application, the user may perform specific tasks or operations using the provided tools and features. Third, register here. Register here is a call to action phrase commonly found on websites and applications that prompts users to create an account or profile. When users click on register here link or button, they are directed to a registration page where they can provide their personal information such as name, email address, username, and password. Registering allows users to access additional features, personalize their experiences, and potentially interact with the platform in more meaningful ways. This process is crucial for platforms that require user authentication as it establishes a unique identity for each user and enables secure access to the system's functionalities. So now coming to the execution part, to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. Here we have a folder which is named as dataset. In this we are containing a dataset in the .csv format. Another folder named as disease app. In this again we are containing some folders, and these all are the Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. And here in these folders migrate, again we are containing some Python files. And the folder named as disease diagnosis. In this again similarly we are containing Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. Here the folder named as model. In this we are containing .h5 files which contain the deep learning and algorithms information. So these .h5 files can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making predictions on new data or performing the specific operations. And here this manages the Python file which is containing the Python script in it. And here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within the MySQL workbench in order to establish the required database structure. So in command line interface, we can see after running manage.py file, the Django framework will post the application link locally at the default address. And here you can see that port and list configure differently. So the link has been posted over here. So just copy this link and paste it on any of the browser. Here I have copied this link. Here you can see that I have pasted the link over here, and at the end type index.html and press enter button. So here you can see that there is a graph which is a confusion matrix graph. Here x-axis and y-axis represents diseases names, and in both x-axis we can see maximum diseases are correctly predicted. So now closing this graph, here you can see we got CNN accuracy as 94% on disease dataset. So now click on register here button so that the user can enter his details and register over here. Make the password over here, enter the contact number, enter the email ID and address over here. And now click on register button. Here you can see that sign up process completed. Now go to the user link. Enter the username which you have created while doing the registration and enter the password. Click on login button. Here you can see that chatbot online. So similarly you can upload a query over here in the chat box and it will reply to your question. So here you can see that I have entered a question and the chatbot has replied to my answer. Similarly, I have written a sentence over here that is lack of concentration, and now click on display full name. So the chatbot will reply to your question. Here you can see that disease predicted as hypertension. So now click on voice based chat. Here you can upload your voice and it will translate it to your text. By clicking on the logout button, you can log out with this successfully. So here you can see that we have successfully logged out with this, and here the accuracy is representing as 95%. Similarly for the precision and recall, the accuracy is 98, 95 and 96%. And this is the home page over here. So now coming back to the conclusion part, as the healthcare industry embraces the potential of artificial intelligence and advanced technologies, the real-time emergency diseases diagnosis systems emerges a testament to the boundless possibility. It stands as a beacon of hope in emergency medical care, offering a lifeline to patients in critical conditions and providing healthcare professionals with the tools needed to make swift and informed decisions. Ultimately, this pioneering system embodies the convergence of human expertise and technological innovation, underscoring the potential to redefine the standards of care in emergency medicine and usher in a new era of improved patient survival rates and enhanced medical response. This accelerated decision-making process equips medical professionals with valuable guidance, enabling them to administer timely interventions and treatment that can significantly impact patient outcomes.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.